Finance teams work with data from many different sources. Each source has its own format, strengths, and data quality challenges. Understanding where your data comes from is an important step in preparing it for AI and automation. Let's look at the most common finance data sources. ERP systems. Enterprise resource planning systems, such as SAP and Oracle, are the primary sources of structured finance data. These systems typically contain general ledger entries, accounts payable and accounts receivable data, vendor and customer master data. Because ERP systems store data in structured tables, they are usually well suited for automation and reporting. However, ERP data is not automatically clean. It can still suffer from issues such as inconsistent master data, outdated records, or legacy setup decisions made years ago. Even structured data needs ongoing maintenance and governance. Spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are still widely used in finance for analysis, reporting, and reconciliation. They are popular because they are flexible and familiar. However, spreadsheets also introduce several risks. Version control problems, where multiple copies exist, manual formatting inconsistencies, hidden errors in formulas that are hard to detect. Because of these risks, spreadsheets require disciplined data hygiene practices to remain reliable. When managed properly, spreadsheets can support AI and automation. When managed poorly, they can become a major source of data issues. Emails and PDFs. Emails and PDFs are examples of unstructured data. They often contain valuable finance information, but are much harder for systems to process automatically. Common examples include invoices received via email, bank statements in PDF format, contracts, and supporting documents. Before this data can be used for automation or AI, it usually needs to be extracted, standardized, and converted into a structured format. Understanding these different data sources helps finance teams decide where data preparation is needed before applying AI or automation tools.